Have you ever had a brilliant product idea but felt overwhelmed by the journey from concept to market? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle to find a reliable partner who can handle every step of the process. At Devomech Solutions, we simplify this journey for you. We offer end-to-end product development services that take your idea from scratch to a finished product, all under one roof. Our unique strength lies in our comprehensive approach. Whether you need electronics development, mechanical design, software engineering, or mass manufacturing, we have the expertise to make it happen. Let's break down how we do it. Our electronics team specializes in creating cutting-edge circuits and systems, ensuring that your product is efficient, reliable, and ready for the market. With our mechanical design expertise, we craft products that are not only innovative, but also practical and robust, ready to withstand real-world challenges. Our software developers ensure your product's interface is intuitive and functional, enhancing the user experience and aligning with your vision. With Devomech Solutions, you have a partner who can handle the transition from prototype to full-scale production. What does this mean for you? It means reduced costs, faster time to market, and a seamless process from idea to final product. You focus on your vision. We take care of the rest. Our clients have successfully brought over hundreds of products to market with our help. Ready to turn your idea into reality? Contact Devomech Solutions today and let's start building your future together.